Hey there. In this tutorial, I'll show you install Ollama on Android with Termux, run 100 plus AI models, 2026. Let's get started. Install Termux from F-Droid. Download Termux from F-Droid, not Google Play. Open Termux and run package update and in package upgrade. Why to get the latest packages? Install required dependencies. Run package install curl git wget cmake python ninja build. Why? These tools are needed to download and run Ollama on Android. Install Ollama on Android. Run the official install script. Curl fssl https://ollama.com/install.sshsh. This downloads the Ollama binary and sets it up for Termux. Download an AI model. Run Ollama pull Llama 3.2:1b for a 1b parameter model that runs on any Android phone. Or try Ollama pull DeepSeek R1:1.5b for a reasoning model. Both fit in 4 GB RAM. Run your first AI chat. Type Ollama run Llama 3.2:1b and start chatting. Your Android phone is now running a local AI. Press Ctrl+D to exit. Use Ollama list to see all